Coach K6 period class, doing my homework, I'm totally gonna pass. And the thing is that I don't like figuring out Wooler math, and I'd rather be outside sitting down on the green grass. Sometimes I consider myself kind of lucky. Gotta turn my car project or else it will be really sucky. Let's all drive around in a pickup trucky. Vroom, 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 vroom. The real thing is that I don't like math, and I'd rather be a loser than be a psychopath. Batter. Go get your camera so we can chat. Swing it across and hit the girl named Pat. Remix. I'll take you to the top.